What's up, guys, and welcome to ShredTrails Vlog. And I'm Andre Riot. Today, man, I really cannot state how freaking stoked I am right now. Now, if you guys remember, if you guys watched some of the older episode of the vlog, you remember that I purchased a very nice fat tire bicycle. I also did mention that I would like to take you guys out on a bike ride with me. Well, so I was kind of taking a friend of mine to go get his meds over at Walmart and ended up picking up what turned out to be a return. So I got one of those actual head straps, mounts, thingies, and they were very nice, very well put together, but unfortunately I've got one of them fatty cameras. So my GoPro's a little bit more of a boxy. It's a Hero 5 Session. So if you're familiar with those, then you know that they're kind of more boxier. They're not as flat as the other ones. And that's the one that I pretty much have. So as I was unboxing, I get a little knock on my door. I'm kind of confused what's going on. I thought it was maybe the neighbor, because last night we had some dude tripping on mushrooms in the back patio while his girlfriend beat the crap out of him. I don't know, it was weird. So I thought that that's what maybe she was coming over to talk about that. Nope, turns out somebody had delivered something. I went out on the front porch, nice little box, super light. I mean, like light, like I felt like there was nothing in the darn thing. And so I take out my nice little razor, open it up, and find this wonderful gem right here. Yes. So, though I made a bad purchase today, I got a good purchase in the mail, which I'm pretty stoked about, because now I can actually mount my camera to the front, or if I want a higher view, I can take the plate and transfer it up to the top right here, so I can actually have a higher view. But now, the best part is that I get to interact with you guys a lot more, because I get to take you along on bike rides. With this hat, I can take you guys on better hikes, so I'm not constantly holding my camera, shaking around, going crazy, like that kind of stuff, you know? But at the same time, I can take you for little road trips. I can take you for little walks. Don't matter. We can have a little fun in nature. That's what we're about, shred trails. Maybe I'll even bring my acoustic guitar at some point. And you guys, I don't know, it might not work with the camera, but you know, it's one of those things where I want to bring you guys along. You guys are extremely important to this channel. You guys are extremely important to these videos. You're extremely important to me, because I want to entertain you guys. I want you guys to have some fun, but I want you guys also to learn stuff, to motivate yourself a little bit more. That's what we're about, okay? This is a guide to music, nature, and positivity, okay? So we're trying to find out the better ways to better ourselves. And I feel like hopping on that bicycle is gonna help me a little bit with a lot of my medical problems, but at the same time, it's gonna give you guys something more to check out, you know, a little bike ride so you can see what some of Wilmington looks like. Maybe I'll take it to different places, you know. I'm a DC boy. I was born and raised in DC, so I might take it back there, do some trails up there. So this hat right here has been nothing but a great gem in us moving forward. Now, I know you like moving forward, so why don't you smash that bell button so you get those notifications. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that as well. And of course, my favorite of all time, like this video, because I can put out more knowing that you like them even more. Until next time, I am Andre Riot, and this is ShredTrails Vlog.